Name of the tour was Elemental Awareness Future Nature Tour. We set up some contests in the Southwest. First stop was Pecos Park, and it's just a fun little cement park. I love the scene here, and it's fun to see a contest with Elemental Awareness running it in my hometown. Everyone was really supportive of everyone else and just psyched on anything anyone else did. And a lot of good homies showed up, Jaws, Bucky Miller, and Vlad. The result was just fantastic. After Phoenix, we went to San Carlos, and there's a fun little park there, nice and colorful, and a lot of fun, just like all this kind of Apache style art. And we had a good little sesh, just kind of hanging out with all the locals. Fun little unique park. That was a great stop. Cruised to Albuquerque and Oklahoma City and squeezed in some street skating and just got to skate this really unique park in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Real cool, stopping in Sioux City, Iowa, Dallas' hometown. Towns like that, they're really fun to stop by. Set up this contest at the local park. The whole town showed up, and it was a real family vibe. It was fun to see where Dallas is from. Everyone just had a great time. second time. We actually stopped there the year before on the elemental awareness trip, and there was a big change. The last contest had a great impact on the community. The year before, it seemed like very little community involvement. It was just these random wooden little boxes and ramps that had no masonite or just anything. I just remember we had to build the park. We had to try to make something happen for the contest for the kids the next day. There was a good turnout, but you could see a huge difference the next year. They wanted to do good. They wanted to show us that they had skills on the skateboard, and they did. The highlight of the entire trip was they pulled out this taxidermy timber wolf and asked us to skate over it. It's big, the thing is tall, you know, but Tosh had no fear. He just charged right over that thing. He didn't care. I was so nervous that I was hitting the thing because it's so valuable. In my eyes, I was just like, oh man, it's crazy. Once in a lifetime experience to skate over a rare animal like that. Great time the second year around. The involvement was just so much greater, and it's great to be part of that positive influence.